Hola, buenos días. Soy Ruth. Hoy es día 80, which is 80 of 100 days of Spanish. What we're going to do today is un poco de vocabulario, okay? Vocabulario about la cultura, la música, okay? And un concierto. And if you stay to the end, I'll give you 4 ways of asking somebody, like making concrete plans and saying exactly where you'll meet. Okay, so stay to the end for that, it's useful. But we'll start with la idea que estamos juntos. We are together. And if you think of a military junta, that's the J-U-N-T-A, well, juntos is J-U-N-T-O-S. And a junta is un gobierno militar. The military are very good at working as one, working together. So juntos means together. Estamos juntos en un bar en Perú, okay? Y yo quiero salir. I want to go out, okay? Hacemos planes. We're making plans. Hacemos planes. If I say en inglés, do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? 6 words, 6 palabras. En español, I just need do you want, which is quieres. You want, quieres. And to go out is salir, sally forth. So do you want to go out is quieres salir. Okay? Quieres salir. I feel like is me apetece. It sounds like 4 letters, apetece. Me apetece is like an appetite. It appetites me. Me apetece. So I feel like going out will be me apetece salir. Okay? Right, now you've got un concierto or a show. The word for show in español is lovely. Espectáculo. Okay, and it sounds like a spectacle, like espectáculo. It sounds fantastic, doesn't it? So it's got that little word culo on the end, and you have to be careful because culo is bum, and that sounds rude or grosero. Okay, so it's just a spectacular bum. Un espectáculo. Okay, espectáculo is a show en español. Okay, so I like that. So me apetece ir a un espectáculo. And they have these shows called peñas. So I feel like going to una peña will be me apetece ir a una peña. Okay? ¿Qué es una peña? ¿Cómo es una peña? Okay, well they've got dance, which is baile. Baile, can you dance will be se puede. You use this, yes you can is sí se puede, and can you dance will be se puede bailar, or we dance is bailamos. Shall we dance? Bailamos, ¿sí? So, se puede bailar, pues en una peña hay profesionales que bailan. Se puede bailar más tarde, later on, okay? Pero primero there is, one sound, hay un espectáculo. Los profesionales bailan, okay? So, tú tienes una mesa. Una mesa is a table, so think of a messy table. Well, it's not a messy table. Tú tienes una mesa con tus amigos, una silla. Silla is seat. This is a great word. Silla, I got your silla. Tú tienes una mesa, una silla, comida, which is food, comida, the comida, bebidas, beverages, y el espectáculo. ¿Cómo es la música en una peña? Bueno, es la música de Perú negra, ¿ok? ¿Como una discoteca? No, no como una discoteca. Not like a nightclub. Como el reggaetón? No, no como el reggaetón. Me gusta el reggaetón, some of it. Pero una peña, no. Una peña es música folclórica. La música de Perú negra, del alma, the soul de Perú negra. Música criolla. Funny word. Criolla. Creole music, okay? Ballet. Ballet is the word for okay, I should say that. So baile is dance and ballet is okay. Bailamos, ¿vale? Bien. So la música folclórica de una peña con guitarras, cantantes who are singers, and I will link some música criolla de Perú porque me gusta mucho. Y también they have un cajón. Un cajón es un tipo de tambor. A tambor is a drum. You can remember that because we've got a tambourine. So un cajón. Una caja is a box, okay? And when you have on, that means it's something bigger. So it's like a big box, un cajón. Una caja, un cajón. I'm thinking of a rave dance now. Un cajón. And the drummer sits es su silla también. Oh, if you have a big seat, that's un sillón, so that's your armchair. You see the on the end makes it bigger. You can have gordo, which is fat, and gordon, which is really fat. Okay, I know somebody called Gordon, that's why I'm laughing. Bien, so un cajón is a big box and it's like a drum. So la música folclórica de una peña es muy bonito y hay profesionales que bailan, se puede bailar más tarde, se puede comer, beber, es un espectáculo fabuloso. ¿Quedamos? Now, quedamos is, do we agree? Are we sorted? Now we're coming to the al final de la clase, and I said I was going to give you 4 ways to say, shall we meet? Okay? So you can say, nos encontramos, we'll encounter each other. Nos encontramos aquí, here. Nos encontramos aquí a las 7. Okay? Or you could say, we'll reunite. Nos reunimos aquí a las 7, ¿vale? Or you could say, what else did I think I had written down? Oh, I said, we'll see each other. Nos vemos aquí a las 7. Or last one, I love, is quedamos. Quedamos is spelled Q-U-E-D-A-M-O-S. Quedamos. Quedamos aquí. Shall we stay here? Shall we fix it on here? Once we've got this sorted, we're quiet. So that's a related term, quiet. So we can go quiet once we have quedamos. So quedado. So quedamos aquí a las 7. Okay? So that's el final de la clase. Mi pregunta es, do you know any música folclórica en español? If you do, maybe you could post a link. I'm going to post a link in the comments so that you can listen to El Alma de Perú Negra, beautiful music, música folclórica que me gusta mucho. And I will see you back here mañana for un poco más de español conmigo, Ruth. Hasta mañana. Adiós.